it off your spoon. Huh? Oh yeah, I know you like it. Did you get it off your spoon? Here, let's get some more on the spoon, okay? Let's get more on the spoon. Here, put it in your jar. Here, try to get more on the spoon, okay? Here, get more on the spoon. Are you getting it on the spoon? Oh, I think it's all gone. Oh boy. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Yes, okay, you hold that. And Grandma will get the next little dish. Look at here. Look what I have here. I have you more. Look at there. There's more food. More food. Oh yes, dessert. Dessert. Oops. Oh, not fingers. Oops. Hey. There we go. Oh boy.
He hit the spot, didn't he?
Yes, look at there. He got the nose too while we're at it. Oh boy. Are you 8.5 months, Wyatt? Are you 9 months now?
I think I saw it here 9 months.
Oh. And you want to feed Sal, don't you? Hear that, Grandpa?
I hear it.
Here's your dish. Here. Dip your spoon again. Here, Grandma help you a little bit? Okay. Okay, you have some on there, baby. See, you have some. See, here we go. Put the dish down. You hit the mouth. Get in the mouth. Oh,
You see what's in the dish?
Uh-oh. Oh! Too much playtime, Grandpa.
Goodness gracious.
Hey, oh boy, you gonna lick those fingers off?
Poor starving little boy.
Try this. Oh boy. You gotta, it's educational. Let them play with your food.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here, lick your fingers. It teaches them how to lick their fingers. Come on.
That's important, I guess.
Look at Grandma. I've never been so messy in my life, I don't think, feeding a baby. Oh boy, he likes this.
What do you got there, Grandma?
He's got mangoes, as Mama said. Oh, not in the hair. I will have to take you and give him a bath yet.
Goodness.
Uh-oh. Be the home funniest video. Yeah.
Somebody's supposed to be doing homework.
Homework, huh?
And it looks like they're playing instead.
You want to see his homework, Grandpa? I have a messy hand. I would show you what his homework. It's just matching the capital A all the way to capital G with the little A and the little G. That's all he has to do is match them up.
They'll learn it.
Did you hear him?
I heard that.
Look at this dish, man. And I thought you was going to feed yours.
Did some of it go in the face?
Oh yeah, I think a lot of it did. Yum, yum. Yeah. Yum, huh. Oh, there goes the hand. It has some food on it. Look at there. He's gonna feed himself. Oh, wait a minute, that's in your chin. Do we have fun with babies, Grandpa?
I guess. Goodness.
Oh, look at there, mister. There's some more. Want to eat?
I think we watched enough
Yeah.
lunchtime, didn't we?
Wow.